Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. So today we're going to be washing my hair. We're going to keep it very simple. However, we are going to be trying out two new products. One I've reviewed in the past before, so I haven't used this product in about 3 years, so I want to see if I still love it or not. And the only other reason I actually bought all of these products as is was because the ones that I loved were not in stock anymore. I don't know what's going on with the Afro Botanics distribution, but I went through 3 different types of clicks and I couldn't find the deep conditioner that I normally use. The other one I found, it was old stock. I opened it and it looked a little bit like, I don't know, tacky, so I didn't buy it. So I don't know what's going on with Afro Botanics. I don't know what's going on with our South African brands, because I wanted to buy other ones, but then they were just not looking. It's either they were old stock or they were just not available in store. And the other ones that were there, it's ones that I've reviewed and I don't see myself repurchasing them ever again. So that's that. However, this product, this is Lenor. This is a moisturizing shampoo. I got this as a PR package, I think last year or something like that, I don't remember. And I never really came in front of the camera to use it, but we're going to be trying the Lnor shampoo. My sister has used it, she said it's okay. Then we're going to be using the Afro True, this is a Clicks brand, the conditioner. You guys know that I've used this before. Then we're going to be using the Urban Hair Care, the deep moisturizing hair mask. So let's get into it. I'm gonna shampoo, come back and give you the review of the shampoo while I charge my battery. It's actually gonna die, so I'll be back in a second. Right, so I still have the shampoo on my hair right now. I'm just letting it sit for a few seconds while I give you guys the review. So I washed my hair twice. This is the second round. The reason why I did that, I needed to wash my hair twice because it was quite dirty. So then I shampooed the first time, then rinsed it off. Then the second time, I didn't even use a lot. I used like this little much. It was not that much, and it lathered up throughout my whole hair, because again my hair wasn't really clean. Well, it was halfway clean. So yeah, so I have to say with this, in terms of moisturizing, I would give it a 7.8. in terms of it being like a clarifying shampoo, I would give it a 7 out of, no, actually I'll give it an 8 out of 10, because it does feel like it's gonna clarify. My scalp doesn't feel extremely stripped, but it feels very clean. My hair is still very soft, and so I'm giving it a 7 out of 8. And then in terms of scent, it smells alright. It's like 6.5. It smells good. I don't have any complaints. It smells alright. It's like okay smelling. The texture of the shampoo is more on the watery side than the thick side, and the color, it's almost like clear to like a cream, like yellowish to a clear color. And then in terms of hydration, I'm not sure yet. I will have to rinse it off and see how my hair feels. However, like my hair does feel soft. It feels already clean. This is a South African brand, and it's made in Pretoria. So Lenor Hair Care, I don't know if that's still up and running on Instagram. That's the only information that I have on them on Instagram. I don't know if they have a website and stuff like that, so you guys can definitely check them out. It's L-N-O-R Hair Care, Lenor Hair Care. So let me go rinse this off. This is how my hair is feeling. It feels really good, not gonna lie. It is quite moisturizing. Like I said, I'm giving it a 7.8. Yeah, it feels really good. No lies, no complaints. If you want to check it out, definitely do. They say that it cleanses, softens, and leaves your hair healthier, soft, hydrated, and prevents hair breakage. I don't know about the hair breakage part, but cool, great. I mean, it's yeah, hair breakage is determined by a lot of stuff, not just the shampoo. But anyway, she's very thick. I don't even know if I'll be able to, like, you see that she's not even moving. The best thing to do is to just open this. She's very thick. This, I feel like, can be used as like even a mask. So I'm gonna squeeze it out like that. You guys see how thick that is? If you want to use this as like a treatment or something, maybe mix it up with some oils. I think you can definitely get away with it. I think the first time I used it, I also gave it some positive reviews, but she's very thick. I feel like it should be in a container instead of like a bottle like this. But you know what, I have no complaints. I need thick products for today because I am getting my hair braided, so my hair's gonna be away for a few weeks. So yeah, I need to. So as I was saying earlier on at the beginning of this video, guys, I don't know what's going on with like South African hair brands. The products, I'm just gonna put some water because I feel like this conditioner took all of the water that was in my hair, and I want to kind of like make it a little bit thin. It is thick, like I said, and I want to detangle my hair right now. So yeah, so I don't know what's going on with the South African products. It's almost as if maybe they're like dying out because maybe people aren't buying them. I really don't know. Remember that Dark and Lovely that I used to love so much, the banana one? It even had like a papaya one. Garnier, it looks so similar, I'm not gonna lie. I almost bought it in and I was just like, whoa, this is not Dark and Lovely, this is Garnier. So anyway, Garnier has a natural hairline, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm in the mood of reviewing it. Maybe you guys let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to review the Garnier natural hair collection. But like I said, it honestly looks like the Dark and Lovely one, and the reason why I'm talking about the Dark and Lovely one is because I think it got discontinued, because all the clicks that I went to, I couldn't see it, I couldn't find it, because I was like, if I'm not going to find the Afro Botanics, the next best thing that I'm going to use and I'm going to get like value for my money would be the Dark and Lovely one, but it wasn't there either. So I was like a little bit confused, honestly speaking. Use that little sponge brush situation to twist my hair, so my ends are quite tangled up. So I'm gonna take my time just to quickly detangle this, because I have to blow dry my hair and then make my way to my hair lady. So I am on kind of like a timer. I haven't had breakfast. I come from the gym. I only had a smoothie from Kauai and that's about it. So I'm quickly gonna try to detangle as quickly as I can, but you guys already know how to detangle. You start on the tips, then you move slowly downwards as you go, just like so. So that part is already detangled, so I'm gonna move on. I'm using a very thin tooth comb, like, because I'm trying to move as fast as I can, but I am being gentle, and I'm going to continue to put some water on the deep conditioner because she is thick while I deep condition, and then we're going to go into the hair mask for like 10 minutes or so while I quickly make breakfast and eat, and then rinse that off, start to blow dry my hair just to straighten a little bit. And then yeah, and then head on out. I'll definitely show you guys the whole process, like I will. This conditioner is really good for detangling. Look at that. And this is a very thin comb. And then I will be back. I'm gonna rinse it off, be back, and show you guys and give you a review of this. I love this. I'm not gonna lie, I loved it. I think even the first time I loved it. Maybe I didn't like the shampoo as much, but the conditioner, it's a deep conditioner. I love it. That's why I bought it again. So if you have been thinking about it, give it a chance, you might just like it. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I have rinsed off, I have detangled and I have rinsed off my deep conditioner. Now we're gonna do a moisturizer mask. I'm gonna put it on, literally go make food, eat quickly, sit down so that I can blow dry my hair and leave in the next 30 minutes. It smells like dish soap mixed with like a little bit of bleach or something like that. It smells like a cleaning detergent. Like, yeah, that's what it smells like. So I don't know if I like the smell it is right now. Okay, it's white. You guys can see it's a little bit of glossiness over there. Look, it says it contains no harmful chemicals and it wasn't tested on animals, and you should avoid eye contact. Yeah, look, it says that Urban Hair Care Moisturizing Hair Mask has been formulated to deep condition and lock in moisture. Like washing powder. Yeah, that's what it smells like, washing powder. That's the best way for me to describe it. However, I think because I did deep condition my hair previously, it has a lot of slip to it. It's very soft. It like immediately first contact with my hair feels immediately soft, which is very interesting. I feel like my hair is very thick, and I don't know if the bottom of my hair is getting, you see, the bottom of my hair is not getting the product. So I might just spend a little bit more time applying the product, which is something new for me, because normally, you know, the products that I use, especially with the mask, I don't think I have experienced parts where I had to like really work in the product as much as I am with this one. It's not necessarily a bad thing, honestly. I just experienced the most wildest thing ever with a deep conditioner. Not only did I say to you guys this deep conditioner smells like washing powder, when I rinsed it off, it foamed up like washing powder, and I'm just like, what the heck did I just put in my hair? Then as the more I rinsed it off, it took a very long time. It was foaming up like it was a shampoo. That's not normal for a conditioner. A mask is not supposed to behave in that manner. Then my hair, I touched my hair. My hair feels very stripped instead of moisturized. I almost feel like I want to re-deep condition my hair again with the deep conditioner from Clicks, the Afro True, but I don't have time. So I'm just going to put in my leave-in conditioner and blow dry my hair because I'm out of time, like I'm gonna be late. So don't buy Urban Hair Care products, particularly the hair mask. You're not missing out on anything. As a matter of fact, you're missing out. You missing out is a great thing because you're going to be putting on washing powder on your hair. So I don't understand what just happened right now. Like my hair feels like, it smells like washing powder. This is crazy. God, please make sure my hair doesn't break because I need to go get it braided, and when I take down my braids, my hair is not damaged. I just don't have time. If I did, I'm not gonna lie, I would re-deep condition with the other deep conditioner that I used first. What's going on with the quality of South African products? Like, can we be serious right now? I just spent money buying this thing, and it's not even like, I don't even okay, I don't have time to be venting. I'm gonna vent after I've done my hair and tell you how disappointed I am. But for now, I'm gonna put in some leave-in conditioner and call it a day.